Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Monica. I'm a mom of two and also a working mom. Guys, if you're new, feel most welcome and thank you for stopping by and deciding to watch this video. In this video, we're going to make supper. Today, we are having ugali, some veggies and beef. So guys, stay tuned until the end. And I'm going to make ugali in another way, not the way you know. I'm going to start with flour and then water. Guys, in a normal way we start with water, then flour. But for me, I'm going to start with flour, then water. So guys, stay tuned and see how it will go from the beginning to the end. Stay tuned guys. Thank you. Guys, here is an empty safuria which I'm using to cook ugali. So you see it is an empty one. I'm going to add some flour in it. For me, I use 2 cups of flour, so that's the flour I'm going to use. If you use more, you just add the amount of flour you use. So guys, I added my flour, and the only thing I'm going to do here is stir the flour until it cook. So how to know it is cooked? The flour starts smelling like something good. It smells like, I don't know what to tell you it smell like, but it is, you will start hearing the smell, so you will know that it is cooked. If you want your flour to cook well, you have to use the low heat. So you have to reduce your heat and stir slowly until you start hearing the smell. When you hear the smell, your flour is cooked. So here I'm stirring. Yeah, that's how I stir. Make sure the flour doesn't burnt. Isiungue, that's what I mean. Yeah, it doesn't burn. Yeah, so guys, keep stirring. Here is where the work is for stirring. Yeah, if you stir well until it cook, everything will go perfectly. So here I was stirring. Yeah, that was the only thing, stirring. After that, I will add my water, which I boiled. First, you have to boil water. If you have a jug, you can use it, or boil water somewhere else, and after that, you will add. At this point, I have already cooked my veggies. Here are my kales and some spinach. So guys, I continue stirring. I stirred for about, not a lot, 5 minutes, around 5 to 10 minutes. Yeah, that's the time I used stirring the flour. So guys, after I finish stirring, I will add my water. So guys, let's see how it will turn out. This is a method not many know it. Many people don't know it, but I was taught by my mom. I saw him cooking this way, and I was wondering what he was cooking, but later to realize that it was ugali, and it was tasting very, very yummy. So guys, if you can try this and see how yours will turn.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would, when nothing really matters. that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would, I would, I would, I would.
My 10 minutes were over, so I was adding my water.
We talk on the
Yeah,
phone.
this is boiled water. Already it has hard boiled.
Love
So
to hear
add
your voice.
a little bit,
Not
little by
sleeping
little,
well.
while
And I know that
you are
you're
mixing well.
right, but you should know it.
Yeah,
You can
that's
go
how
on
it is
for way
done.
too long.
You add a little bit of water, then
If I
mix
can
well
lay down beside you,
until you see if there is no flour and your ugali is well cooked. You will see it by not seeing any flour. Everything will be mixed well. Yes, you mix slowly and correctly well until everything is well mixed.
Even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would. When
At
nothing
this point
really
the ugali was
matters,
ready. It
that's
doesn't
all I
take long
wanna do.
because the flour was
I hope
already
that
cooked.
you're
So after
safe
everything is
and
mixed
that I
well,
will see you
the
soon.
remaining thing is just
If
to
I can
remove
lay
it
down beside
and serve
you,
it
I would, I
with
would. If I can
what
lay
you're having
down
it with.
beside you,
So guys, that's how it turned out.
I would.
It is very yummy, so sweet. Try it if you can.
That's all I want.
It's a good method of cooking ugali. I was taught by my mom and I liked it, and also my family, my hubby and my children loved it. So guys, you can try it, yeah, and see how it will turn. It is sometimes it is good to try something new. So guys, try it. Thank you for staying until this end. May God bless you. And if you are new and you have not yet subscribed, please click the button and subscribe and support my channel, guys. May God bless you. Bye.